everyone. Today I'm so excited to be showing you a super quick festive Santa hat eyeliner look. It's perfect for the holidays. We're going to start off with our eyeliner. I got mine from Amazon. I'll link it below. I got the red color. I'm also going to have my NYX Jumbo stick. They have one that's a more white called Milk, but mine is the shiny, like glittery, kind of silvery one, and I just wanted to work with what we got. I also have these pearl stickers. I'm pretty sure they're from the Dollar Tree, but you could use any type of little glittery sticker, and we're going to use some eyelash glue to put it on. But let's start off with the beginning. Since I want this to really last, I make sure my moisturizer has fully absorbed in, and then I'm going to apply the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This is going to set and lock everything. Because this is my first time using this eyeliner, I wasn't sure if it was the best. You don't need it, but if you're using eyeshadow, you definitely want a primer, and this is my favorite. Let's start off at the beginning. Start by lining your upper lashes with a very thin, precise strokes. You want it smooth. Don't worry if it's not. It's festive and it's not formal, and you can always clean it up. I didn't do my face makeup since I am using this eyeliner. If you wanted to, you could use eyeshadow and an angled brush and just create it if you didn't have this product already. Next up, once you have the thin, precise line on your upper lash, basically like a waterline without going in your waterline, just filling in between your eyelashes. Next, we're going to create the Santa hat. You're going to draw a small triangle at the outer corner of your lid, and that's where the fun begins. You can either decide to have your wing flick up towards the sun, you can have it flick out, you can follow your natural eye line and just flick it out. That's what I would do. But you can choose to go more angled like I'm showing you here. Once you have that tight line done with a little flick out, you're going to start filling in the triangle with a red liner. You can use the bright red, a dark red, whatever shade you want. Obviously, you can do pink, you can use the eyeshadow, but I would recommend starting thin because with winged eyeliner, if you've never done it before, it's easy to just go thicker and thicker and thicker. You can always add, just like baking or cooking, you can never take it away, except for this is makeup, you have makeup remover, so we can't take it away. You can use micellar water, you can use all sorts of things. Don't be afraid, just have a tissue nearby so that when it is wet, you can honestly just wipe it away with the tissue. That's what I did, or a Q-tip would work fabulous. Now here it is. This is just the eyeliner done. Basically, it's a winged eyeliner, right? And then I went in with my Jumbo NYX pencil, and I decided to give myself an inner corner highlight as well as actually waterlining the bottom. So instead of tight lining the top, you're going to waterline and keep it out of the eyelash line to kind of open up the eye and help draw attention there and bring the Santa hat to the front of the show. Since I'm using liquid liner and it does dry down really fast, I decided to apply it first, and then I was going to do my full face makeup and go back in and apply the white Santa puff because it is lighter than my foundation color, so I was afraid my foundation would just cover it up and it would just be like reapplying. So once I have my full face done, you'll see I just do like a typical regular quick full face. I did like a nice reddish blush and a lip to match as well, because you do have to keep in mind you want the colors to look nice together. And so once you have the full face applied, you can go in and you can apply any extra bedazzles or details. I just happen to have these pearls, like I said, I don't know where from. If you have little tiny bedazzle sparkles, like a white one would be gorgeous, but this was purely my idea. When I have actually seen this done before, I've only seen people do just actual makeup. But when I saw these, I thought about the girls who wear to raves those beautiful rhinestones and they put them on their inner eyes. And I was like, how hard can it be? Okay, it's actually so incredibly easy, y'all. I didn't even think about this, but I probably should have taken my eyelash glue with me, but I didn't have them fall off or any budging. But it is kind of funny because you could just have missing gemstones, or in this case, pearls. I think the pearls are the perfect touch. If you go to the Dollar Tree and you find these, buy them. You can decide. I held them up to my face and I was like, I kind of like a bigger one, but you could do a smaller pearl to draw less attention. And I think the next time I do this, I'm going to do even thicker, crazier wings so it's even more dramatic. Just practice wings until you get it perfect. And here's a sneak peek at one eye with the mascara on and one without. Mascara really opens up the eye, but can you see the difference? The design really still pops either way. I did decide to use the Sky High Maroon mascara. I think it's really fun with the maroon mascara. I probably will be doing this for my fancy dinner. The black would look nice and kind of dark and depth dimension, but I'm looking for more theme Christmas red pops of color, so the maroon is perfect. Once your eyeliner is finished, finish the rest of your makeup. I added some CC cream blush, highlighters, lip liners, a soft lip, and then I was able to go in, clean up the eyeliner, add in some more of that white, add a little bit of eyelash glue to the pearl, and then apply it at the tip of your Santa hat for your puff. And there you have it, a festive Santa hat eyeliner. It's simple, fun, and totally wearable. Honestly, you can wear this to work. It would be so fun for parties. You could add Christmas trees. You could add stars.
This full face actually only took me 21 minutes and 45 seconds, even while filming and doing a super fun eyeliner. And this was my first time actually doing it. I've thought about it for weeks. First time actually putting it into action. Probably should have tried it once before filming, but I was like, let's just do it. This way you guys are gonna learn with me. We can learn together better this way. I do think if you're doing powders, definitely do those after your makeup. That's great, fine, dandy. Liquid eyeliners, anything like that, before. So you can clean it up and then apply your foundation, concealer, whatever you wanna use. I think having a good lip and blush color that matches, as in like a family, is helpful. I kind of went purpley but still red because I didn't want a perfectly red lip today. I want to give you like a little fashion show with a cute Christmas outfit. Do you want to see it? Well, actually, number one, my light died, so... Whoa, we almost forgot the most important product. This holiday season, if you're going to be crying, sweating, involved with family members you don't want to be, this L'Oreal Infallible 36 Hours Defies Transfer. You're not going to leave your face on his shirt this year. I actually really love this stuff. It is so drying though, so if you have really dry skin like me, absolutely no powders, and sometimes I go in with a refreshing, like a hydrating setting spray throughout the day because your face is like hairspray. Try not to crease or move while it sets though. I bought a new bottle of that a week ago. It definitely has a new scent. I was trying to debate, like, does it? Yeah, it does. I haven't noticed an effect in the actual formulation. She's very scented now. Okay. I do think she also kind of holds my bangs in place and it doesn't make it greasy, so I'm not afraid to get it on my bangs. P.S. Other setting sprays, avoid the bangs. Ooh, okay, I did... obviously lights, because Santa, he needs the lights, you know, come down my chimney. I would say get dressed before you do this if you're using eyeshadow. This eyeliner is my first time using it. I'll link it below. I did just, oh, here, you can see it now. It's called Cool Story Eyeliner. That's the garbage man. I'm sorry about the garbage truck, but he's not leaving. It's the Cool Story Eyeliner. Quick drying, long lasting, glossy eyeliner, bright, attractive in red. It does have a tiny hint of glitter to it, so it's not just fully matte red. I might try out other colors of this liner if it does last throughout the day, because the application is so good. You can go over top of it, because I was like going over the color, and it fixes up. It doesn't budge, it doesn't move, it does dry quick. I like her. Filming and showing off makeup looks is a lot harder than it looks, to be honest. Do you guys have any fun festive looks you would add to this? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm actually going to be wearing this out to dinner soon, and I don't think there's anything I would change, except I would probably do heavier contour and heavier blush for like a going out night. But it's a day I need to wear my makeup out, so if you had pink eyeliner, you could do a pink Santa hat. The red does just... the color palette plays so well that it says Santa hat when you see red. You could do blue snow, icicles, green trees, but you could do any hat in this color. It could just be like an elf's hat or something. I think it's cute. Do whatever you want. These feel way more dramatic than the eyeliner. The eyeliner just feels like a baddie. Feels cool. The red, it can be scary. Maybe skip the maroon mascara and go for black, or no mascara at all. I really liked that look too. I thought it was really cute. This has been so fun. Can you guys see my skirt? God, I just bounced my earring out of my ear. Oh my god. Okay, look at my outfit. I actually wish my sweater wasn't cropped, so pretend it's not, okay? I love it. I don't have any rings or necklaces on, but honestly, it's sparkly sweater, faux fur coat. I've heard some girls using tree skirts as capes, if you wanted to get in on that. Actual skirt with bows on it from TJ Maxx. I love that the tinsel, can you see, goes all the way around. We've got mixing gold and silver, one of my favorite things to do, but the bows only on the front. You can sit down. If you have an old black, this is like a sweater dress, they left the tags on and just straight up glued. I don't even think they're sewn. Yeah, no, they just glued them. Same with the tinsel. If you have fabric glue, bows, and old clothes, some tinsel, you can make your own clothing. I bought this for $10 2 years ago. I feel like I'm on Santa's nice list. If you also want to be on Santa's nice list, go ahead and try this out. I would say it is beginner friendly. You have to show my friend. Look it! I got my own Max. Oh my god. I gotta make a video on TikTok. Oh my. I'm not a huge Christmaser, but it's fun to have a theme, okay? If you're the same way, lean into things. Christmas does not bring me immense amounts of joy. Would you believe that? No. No, you wouldn't. Gaslight yourself into enjoyment. I used to be like, I hate Christmas, Stop it. Yeah, okay. Find something to love. Because I don't even know if you celebrate Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah. There's so many holidays. You could just skip them all together. The only thing that matters is you're painting the bigger picture of your life with all these little moments. So even if you're not celebrating, when you go out at night or when you go out during the day and you see beautiful decorations or lights or something that you admire, notice it, appreciate it, and focus on those little things. It'll paint a beautiful big picture of your life, okay? I love you guys. Thank you for being here. You guys really are like my best friends. Oh, you guys don't know. I can't even put into words how much YouTube means to me. I have so much fun daily on TikTok, but my weekly YouTube videos, it's like this passion inside of me that's burning for my whole life, and I'm finally allowing myself to chase it. So thank you for being here. Seriously. Okay, I'm done squatting. I love you so much. If you made it this far, you're the baddest bitch of them all. I hope you know that for real. If you like this type of shit, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. And let me know if there's anything you want to see from me for this holiday season. Anything at all. The freaking pearls. Pro tip, put the eyelash glue down first and then apply the gemstone so you know where it's going. If you put the glue on the gemstone, it can go anywhere. Do you guys love this as much as I do? Makes me kind of want to try Christmas trees. I kind of want to figure out a way to get like fluffy white underneath maybe. This is really fun. I love a theme. I love a makeup look, and there's nothing like a themed festive makeup look. This was so fun. And that's a wrap. The only thing wrapped under the Christmas tree this year is going to be me, because I am the gift from Santa Claus in my little Santa hats. He put them on me to prove it and everything. I hope you guys loved today's video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Helps me out a ton. Subscribe for more videos from me. And leave a comment. I just like reading them. Or if you want to say anything, or don't comment. If you like to just watch, thanks for watching. You're the best. Thanks for being here. I love you so much. Happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. If you, I don't know, you could put a dreidel. You can do whatever you want. The world is your oyster, baby. Have a great one. See ya.